بالبطون. I've been doing some cleaning. And I'm waiting on Linda because Linda said she's gonna cook, but it look like I'm gonna cook because she's taking her sweet time. Okay, she's hungry. But there is no one at home except me and Linda and Chris. But still, I'm gonna be making enchilada, chicken enchilada today. I'm starving. Putting the dishes away first, and I'm gonna start making the enchilada. I've been doing some cleaning. And I'm waiting on Linda because Linda said she's gonna cook, but it look like I'm gonna cook because she's taking her sweet time. Okay, she's hungry. But there is no one at home except me and Linda and Chris. But still, I'm gonna be making enchilada, chicken enchilada today. I'm starving. Putting the dishes away first, and I'm gonna start making the enchilada. Clean the chicken, so look how clean the chicken is, and I'm gonna put some water on it and put it on the stove. يا ربي شو هالبيج pot. لازمني زيت. بدي أعبي زيت. Okay guys, let me show you something. This, here you go, olive oil from overseas, from Palestine. راحت ايدي امي. So I need to fill some oil. يا الله شو صعبة. راحت ايدي. راحوا أصابعي. والله راحوا. Anyway, let me show you this. Okay. I have two. This pot's glass. And this one, they use it overseas for gas. To fill up gas. But I'm gonna use it for my olive oil. So that's what we're gonna be doing now. There you go. Yep. So here you go. I'm gonna start. Okay. And yeah, I forgot how to use it. Like this. Yeah, like this. You see? Look how easy is that? يا جماعة مخ بيفكر، ما تقولوا لي لا، مخ بيفكر. اوكي خلصت هاي، وقفتها من هون. كيف وقفتها؟ رفعتها. So pulled it up. Right now I want to start all over again. There you go. I just do this. There you go. And I let go. لحالها بتعبي. هي شايفينها عم بتعبي لحالها. Here you go. I call it genius. Tell me that's not genius. هي من قربت تتعبي برفعها من هون لأنها بعدها مليانة. شايفين؟ Mama. No. I don't like your sons. Oh, she doesn't
Mama,
like my son.
do you know how much that box costs? I had the big one. You know the big one? for your computer. Mm-hmm. The big box like this, the Apple charger box.
It's upstairs.
Yeah, he took it.
No, it's upstairs.
No, he told me he took it.
No, it's upstairs.
Where?
I just see it just right now.
I think that one's Rocky's.
Well, I don't know. I
They're
saw one upstairs.
expensive.
Okay.
I got it. Okay.
She's having fun with it. بس كبلي شي الله يرضى عليكي.
I'm gonna drop it all over.
يضحك. Okay, mama.
What?
Okay, wait.
I didn't do anything.
I know, wait.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
I get it.
yeah, pull this up because that's it. شفتي راح تعجبي والله هتعجب.
I pulled it out. It's not in there.
No, don't pull it out. Up. Wait, yeah.
You done?
Wait. راح يجيبي لي هلا باكيت بلاستيك. Big one. Okay, put it here. Yeah, cover. See, guys? See? No mess.
Alright,
No mess at all. مخ بفكر. هيك. الحمد لله خلصت. خذ معي دقيقتين. Back to the chicken. By the way, Linda quit. She said she's not cooking. Have fun? Come with me. At least come sit with me in the kitchen. Yeah, Lena, على her show. There you go. Let's shred the chicken. There you go. كده شوية. There you go. Linda's watching her show, and it's loud. It's like I want to hear it. Guys, let's listen to this. Okay, Linda. As soon as I'm cooking today, you're doing the cleaning. Right? Why when you come back? Right now? And who's gonna eat? Me? Okay guys, here I just added some chicken flavor and I bought some cream cheese, black pepper. I barely bought, I gotta fold it up. And I'm gonna add a little bit of this inside it. So I'm gonna go open it. I'm gonna put it on low for now. Okay. There you go. Let's mix it now. I'm gonna start doing the enchilada. There you go. Put so much in here. Fold it up. Why not? Roll it. Okay. And put it in the plate. There you go. Again. اوكي غيرته. I'll put in that صينية. Now let's some mozzarella cheese. Okay, and that will put it for a little bit for 20 minutes. I have to do the dishes because I don't want to wait when the hair to come back. Keep the kitchen clean. Clean. I cleaned it. So let me just do the dishes. Oops. Thingy off. Show you. There you go. Now, what I'm gonna do, I have some green onion, avocado, and put it in a plate. Yes. There you go.
9.5 out of 10.
9.5 out of 10. That did you just...
Perfect enchilada.
Thank you.
Hey, Mom. What do you give it? What do you give your own cookie? What do you think?
I love it. It's really good.
What do you rate it? Like out of 10?
10.
10?